He was the president's fixer, his longtime attorney, the man who dealt with issues before they became big problems. But Michael Cohen arrived at the Office of Federal Investigators in New York on Tuesday, representing potentially the biggest problem of Donald Trump's presidency. He pleaded guilty to 8 charges brought by federal prosecutors, including that he paid an adult film star, Stormy Daniels, to keep quiet during Trump's run for president after she claimed they had an affair. The president at first denied all knowledge when asked about the payments.
President, did you know about the $130,000 payment to Stormy Daniels?
But in court, Cohen said it was at the direction of then-candidate Trump that he made the payment, as well as one to another woman, a former Playboy model, Karen McDougal, over their alleged affair.
What he did was he worked to pay money to silence 2 women who had information that he believed would be detrimental to the 2016 campaign and to the candidate and the campaign.
Cohen's name came across the desk of special counsel Robert Mueller during his investigation into alleged collusion between the Trump campaign and Russia. He referred what he found to prosecutors in New York, and in April they instructed the FBI to raid Cohen's home and office in New York. They seized boxes of documents, including communications between Donald Trump and Cohen. Cohen's actions reflect a pattern of lies and dishonesty over a significant period of time. But Michael Cohen's lawyer, Lanny Davis, said his client had testified that, quote, Donald Trump directed him to commit a crime by making payments to 2 women for the principal purpose of influencing an election. If those payments were a crime for Michael Cohen, then why wouldn't they be a crime for Donald Trump? Michael Cohen now faces up to 5 years in prison. He's a man who once said he'd take a bullet for Donald Trump. Now people are wondering how much of a mark his case will leave on the President of the United States. Kristen Salumi, Al Jazeera, New York.